Hello, I'm Mariana, Holanda, a psychologist and a doctoral student in human sexuality at the University of Porto. This work has been developed under the supervision of Professors Conceição Nogueira and Joana Topa. The title is When the Body Becomes a Territory of Exclusion, an analysis of obstetric racism in the case of Brazilian black woman in Portugal. The aim is to understand the subjective experience of obstetric racism as lived by a Brazilian black woman within the Portuguese national health system. This is a case study of exploratory qualitative nature. It was used a semi-structured individual interview. The participant was 41 years old, black, cisgender, bisexual woman with a PhD and 2 children. The data was analyzed using Brown and Clark thematic analysis. Obstetric violence is a form of gender-based violence within sexual and reproductive health care, marked by subjugation and power imbalances. It involves physical, verbal, sexual, moral, and psychological abuse, often linked to discrimination. These practices intersect with race, nationality, and migrant status, profoundly shaping maternal health experience and outcomes. Black women are especially vulnerable as their histories, feelings, and rights are frequently dismissed in healthcare. Shaped by racialization and compulsory heterosexuality, their experience reflect colonial systems that historically dehumanize racialized bodies. Gynecology and obstetrics developed through a hegemonic care model that reinforce racial hierarchies, a legacy still evident today. This structural violence persists in modern healthcare systems. Obstetric racism emerging from institutional violence and medical racism expose black and racialized women to systemic neglect and racial stigma, contribute to higher maternal mobility and mortality rates. In Portugal, obstetric violence disproportionately affects black women with significant rates of humiliation, neglect, and non-consensual procedures. This abuse results from both individual prejudice and enduring colonial structure. Addressing to this issue requires an intersectional approach, recognize how gender, race, and nationality intersect. This research highlights the urgent need to equitable, humanized, and rights-based maternal health care.